Welcome to the demo of Wabit, SQL Power's open source business intelligence reporting tool. I'm Benjamin Dietz, BI consultant with SQL Power's consulting group, and I'll walk you through some of the features Wabit has today. SQL Power has been developing Wabit, which is an open source tool and free to download and use, in response to experience with our clients and working with their existing reporting tools when we were building business intelligence solutions for them. We were finding that products that were in use had become extremely complex and they were no longer serving the intended audience, which are really business users. Users who need to query data and answer the business questions with their operational business intelligence system. Out of this experience, we have been developing Wabit as a business intelligence reporting tool geared towards end users and focusing on the ease of use of the product. What is Wabit? Wabit is an open source BI reporting tool written in Java, which makes it platform independent and can be used on Windows, Linux, Mac, and other platforms. Wabit uses JDBC to connect to databases and runs against pretty much any database, including Oracle, Postgres, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and DB2. Wabit is also real-time BI ready thanks to supporting SQL Stream Server. After you installed and started Wabit, you'll see the welcome screen, where you can create a new workspace, open an existing workspace either locally or from a Wabit server, or you can test Wabit in the demo workspace. For this demo, I'll create a new workspace. The database we're connecting to contains information about countries and cities. In our demo, we'll create a query and a report based on this data. Later, we'll also analyze the data in a multidimensional cube. In the left-hand tree, you can see the query that we're in right now. It gets automatically created when we open a new workspace. We also see the connection we added to our workspace. When opening the connection, we can see the schema and the tables. We can just drag and drop the table country into the query pane and start our query. You'll see the result of the query as soon as we drop the table into the query can. We can now select the columns we want to see in our report. For this demo, I want to show all cities in Europe ordered by region and population. To get this result, we also need the table city. We can also just drop it into the query pane. Wabit automatically joins the tables. We can zoom out a bit to see both tables completely. We can now select the columns we want to see in our report. In the first step, I deselect all of them because we only want to use a few. I want to keep region and name from country and name and population from city. I also only want to see the cities from the continent Europe. So I can just enter the where clause behind continent equals Europe. As you can see, we have two columns called name. We can rename them just by clicking on them and giving them a different name. For example, city and country. I also want to order the result by region and population, the biggest city first. Click on region, and now with control, I also click on population, twice for descending, and now I have the desired result set. If I would like to, I could also change the order of columns just by dragging them around. After we're done creating the query, we can now create a report, either by clicking on the icon Create Report, or by right-clicking on one of the templates and selecting New Report. We have now a plain report, and we can add our query just by dragging and dropping it into the prepared place. To format the result set, I double-click on it. I change the column names region, and population. I group the regions and suppress repeating values. I change the format of the population and add subtotals. And I can also change the format of the headers and of the content. I can now change the width of the columns so the content fits in nicely. And finally, I change the report title to Cities in Europe. I might have to change the size of the text box. I can now preview the report in the print preview and flip through the pages. If I want, I can print it or create a PDF. Wabit comes with Mondrian, an open-source OLAP engine which allows end users to analyze multidimensional data, also known as cubes. Wabit has a multidimensional demo database included, which I add to the workspace. Click on Connections, Add Data Source, WorldFacts OLAP connection. With the right click on the connection, I can create a new OLAP query against that connection. I now have to select a cube where there's only one cube available, and I can unfold the connection to see the related measures and dimensions. I have 4 measures and 1 dimension called geography. For today's demo, I want to analyze the population over the continents. I add the measure population and the dimension geography. Wabit shows me the aggregated value. I scroll down on world and can see the different continents. Now I can exclude worlds and have my desired result. I see all continents with their population. I can now create a chart with this result by clicking on Create Chart. I now select a P chart and take off the legend. I can also rename the chart with a right click, rename continent and population. To show the result set and the chart both at the same time, I create a new report. Select one dashboard. Now I can add the chart to the top and the result set to the bottom. Can add the dashboard title, world population, and I'm done. This is all I really want to show you today, and I hope it could make you curious to download Wabit and to try it out. Wabit is only one part of our open source offering. We have 2 other programs that are available on our website. One of them is Power Architect, a data modeling tool somewhere similar to Irvine, and you can model relational and multidimensional data models. The Kiguru is our master data management and data cleansing tool that allows you things like deduping, data correction, and address correction. Where to find all the tools? Just go to our website www.sqlpower.ca and look in the category Power Tools to download our products. There's also a link to our user forum and you can find other neat stuff. I want to thank you for watching this demo and I hope it was useful for you. To contact SQL Power, just go to our website where you can find all our contact information.